So good morning all of you. Today I'll have to complete your, I yesterday completed your functions of commercial bank. Today first understand the credit creation process, then I'll give you the notes and then I'll explain you. First you need to understand, okay, what we have studied under commercial bank. We have studied under commercial bank that commercial bank accept deposits from public. Okay, they advance loan and they do credit creation. These three are actually linked from each other. So that link you have to understand, that under the process of credit creation, what are the various the concept which we need to understand the process of credit creation. Is it clear? Now, you need to understand one thing, that a person earns income, divide his income into two parts. One part he use for consumption, other he save. Where he save? He save in the bank. So the person goes to the bank to deposit his money. So he become a depositor. So when a depositor deposit his money in the bank, what the bank does? We all know, bank open an account in the name of the depositor. Okay, and that account is called primary deposit account. You need to understand primary deposit account properly so that you will be able to understand the process of credit creation. Credit creation actually depends on bank deposits. Credit creation, what is the basis of credit creation? Bank deposit. What is the basis of credit creation? Bank deposit. Now you need to understand the bank deposit properly. What is bank deposit? Bank deposit is of two types: primary deposit account, secondary deposit account. What is primary deposit account? I told you just now. When a customer goes to the bank to deposit his money, then bank open an account in the name of that depositor, and that account is called primary deposit account. Okay, like this, many depositors goes to the bank. They deposit their money in the bank. Okay, so bank collect a good amount of money. All right, then what they do with this money? They keep it with them? No. As we have studied under accepting deposit, there are three categories: current account, saving bank account, fixed deposit. Current account and saving bank account, almost nominal rate of interest given, but fixed deposit account, a good rate of interest is given by the bank. Why? Because the person is depositing his money for a fixed period of time. So when a person go and deposit the money in the bank, then bank knows that, okay, this money is with me for a certain period of time. What the bank does with that money? The same money bank uses to give loan to the people. Is it clear? But when a bank gives loan to a person, we call that person as borrower. So when bank gives loan to a person, to a borrower, in that condition also bank open an account. So bank not only open an account of the depositor who is depositing money in the bank, bank also open an account in the name of the borrower who is borrowing loan from the bank. And when bank open an account in the name of the borrower, we call that account as secondary deposit account. Why we say secondary deposit account? Because secondary deposit account is derived from primary deposit account. जब बहुत सारे लोग जाके बैंक में अपना पैसा जमा करते हैं, उसी जमा पैसे को बैंक यूज करता है to give the loan. तो secondary deposit किसको कहते हैं? Secondary deposit means when people go in the bank and deposit their money in the bank. Okay, and then that amount of money bank uses to give the loan. So when bank gives the loan to the people, it gives the loan from the deposit of the people. So secondary deposit account is derived from the primary deposit account. So I talked to you today about the two accounts. One is primary deposit account, one is secondary deposit account. What is the base of secondary deposit account? The base of secondary deposit account is primary deposit account. There will be no secondary deposit account if there will be no primary deposit account. That you need to understand, because bank gives loan to the borrower from the amount which is collect from the depositors. Is it clear to all of you? So, now try to understand what I have said. What is the basis of credit creation? Bank deposit. Bank deposit forms the basis of credit creation. How many types of bank deposits we have? We have two types of bank deposit. One is primary account deposit, one is secondary account deposit. What is primary account deposit? When a person goes to the bank to deposit his money, bank accept his deposit and open an account in the name of the depositor. That account is called primary deposit account. Then secondary deposit account. What is the first fact about secondary deposit account? Secondary deposit account is derived from primary deposit account. People go to borrow money from the bank. Then bank, instead of giving them cash, open an account in the name of the borrower and issue check, and that account is called secondary deposit account. I think you people have understood the three facts. Bank deposit, primary deposit, secondary deposit. But one more thing you need to understand. Every country has many commercial banks, but every country has only one central bank. Like India has a central bank called Reserve Bank of India. What do you mean by central bank? Central bank is the apex bank, and central bank tries to control and regulate all the commercial bank. All the commercial banks are being controlled and regulated by central bank of the country. Like Reserve Bank of India control all the commercial bank like State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Allahabad Bank, Canara Bank, Syndicate Bank, HDFC Bank, Apex Bank, all the different types of the commercial bank we are having, all are being regulated and controlled by the central bank. Now, as I told you that commercial bank create credit. How commercial bank create credit? With the help of bank deposit. How with the help of bank deposit? With the help of two types of deposit, current account deposit and secondary account deposit. Now, in between primary account deposit and secondary account deposit, there is one regulation imposed by the central bank which is called cash reserve ratio. You need to understand this. Children, today if you will understand all the concept, then tomorrow if I will give the notes, you will be able to understand. So what I said, that in between, as I told you that secondary deposit account is derived from the primary deposit account. तो होता क्या है, suppose person A है, उसने 10,000 रुपए स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया को जमा किए. तो स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया क्या करेगी? स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ओपन करेगी अकाउंट इन द नेम ऑफ पर्सन ए. तो कितना प्राइमरी डिपॉजिट हुआ बैंक के पास? 10,000 रुपए. अब इस 10,000 रुपए को बैंक क्या करेगी? 10,000 रुपए को बैंक क्या करेगी? दूसरे को लोन देगी. सपोज उसने पर्सन बी को लोन दिया, ठीक है. तो अब जब वो पर्सन बी को उसी 10,000 रुपए में से सपोज 9,000 रुपए उसने लोन दे दिए, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने किसको दिया? पर्सन बी को. तो जब वो 9,000 रुपए पर्सन बी को लोन दे रहा है, तब वो क्या करेगा? बैंक विल ओपन एन अकाउंट इन द नेम ऑफ पर्सन बी, और उस अकाउंट को क्या बोलेंगे? सेकेंडरी डिपॉजिट. तो दो डिपॉजिट हुई स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के पास. एक डिपॉजिट है पर्सन ए का, एंड हु इज पर्सन ए? डिपॉजिटेड. एंड व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट डिपॉजिट? प्राइमरी अकाउंट डिपॉजिट. एक डिपॉजिट है, एक अकाउंट है पर्सन बी का. And what kind of the deposit it is? Loan. Person B is what? Person B is a borrower. He has borrowed money from the State Bank of India, and State Bank of India has given 9,000 rupees. Where this 1,000 rupees goes? Why the commercial bank has not used this 1,000 rupees to give loan? That 1,000 rupees are being reserved by State Bank of India, which is called cash reserve ratio. So cash reserve ratio is the reserved amount which every commercial bank of the country has to keep from primary deposit, and remaining amount they use for giving loan. So primary deposit 10,000 रुपए है, ठीक है. सेंट्रल बैंक ने इम्पोज की कि 5% 10% CRR होगा तो 10% 10,000 का 1,000 हो गया है, तो 1,000 वो क्या करेगा, कमर्शियल बैंक यूज नहीं कर सकता। वो 1,000 का गार्जियन कौन है, सेंट्रल बैंक। अब उसके पास कितना बचा CRR रखने के बाद, 10%, 9,000। वो क्या करेगा, उस 9,000 को वो लोन देगा पर्सन बी को, like this many other person. So 9,000 rupees the State Bank of India has given the loan. So how credit is created? Now that answer I am giving you. Primary deposit में पर्सन ए को मिलेगा मैक्सिमम, इंडिया का एग्जाम्पल ले लो, मैक्सिमम फिक्स डिपॉजिट पे रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है 8%। तो 8% रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट एनुअली देना है स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया को पर्सन ए को 10,000 का। पर जब उसने पर्सन बी को लोन दिया 9,000 रुपए, तो 8% पे नहीं देगा। रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट जो लोन के लिए होता है मैक्सिमम 12% है, तो ही विल गिव 12%, he will charge 12% rate of interest from person B. The gap between 12 to 8%, 8% उसको देना है, 12% उसको मिलेगा। 12 minus 8 will be is equal to 4%. So 4% is the rate of credit created by the Commercial Bank of India. Commercial bank, that is State Bank of India. I hope you people have understood. So this process continues. This process continues. Now, इसके बाद I am going to explain you in the blackboard, so that you will be able to understand the whole process. So what is the process? The process is every bank forms bank deposit. Bank deposit is the basis of credit creation. Bank deposit is of two types: primary deposit account and secondary deposit account. Primary deposit account is the account when a person deposits his money in the bank open an account in the name of that depositor. That account is called primary deposit account. Then secondary deposit account. Secondary deposit account is the account when the bank gives loan to a person, it open an account in the name of the borrower. That account is called secondary deposit account. And secondary deposit account is derived from primary deposit account. But every commercial bank need to keep cash reserve ratio. What is the cash reserve ratio? The cash which need to be kept by every commercial bank from primary deposit before giving loan to the people is called cash reserve ratio. और एक चीज समझ लो, जब बैंक ने लोन दिया, गिविंग लोन, क्रिएशन ऑफ लोन, गिवन लोन, क्रेडिट, दैट टाइम ओनली क्रेडिट इज क्रिएटेड। क्योंकि मैंने तुमको क्या बोला, जब वो डिपॉजिट करेगा तो एनुअली 8% देगा, पर जब वो लोन देगा तो वो 12% पे देगा। गैप ऑफ 8 और 12% इज द क्रेडिट क्रिएटेड बाय कमर्शियल बैंक। इज इट क्लियर? आई होप यू पीपल हैव अंडरस्टूड द प्रोसेस ऑफ द क्रेडिट क्रिएशन. Now in my next video, I'm going to explain you in the blackboard with the help of the schedule, so that you will people able to understand, and I'll give you the notes also on this particular topic. Okay? For today only this much. Thank you, children.